We have discussed fractional function and Cartesian integer and modulus function. Now we can discuss exponential function and logarithmic functions. What are these functions? What are the properties of these functions? So let's discuss exponential and logarithmic function. Exponential and logarithmic function. Before discussing this, first let's discuss what are the properties of exponents of any variable. So, properties of exponent of any variable. Of any term, let's say. So if you have a to the power n into a to the power n, if you are having, this is known as a is here, this term is known as base and this term is known as power. If you are writing any term like this one, any term like this, then a is called the base and b is called its power. So this value of this one will be a to the power m plus n. Now second property is a to the power m to the power n can be written as a to the power n to the power m is equal to a to the power mn. Third property is a to the power m by a to the power n can be written as a to the power n minus n. That means a to the power m can be written as 1 by a to the power 1 by a to the power minus n. Both are same. Now next property is here a into b to the power m can be written as a to the power m into b to the power m. These are the same terms. Next property is a by b to the power m is equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to. Now next one is 7. A to the power 0 is equal to 1 if a does not equal to 0. So these are the properties of exponents. We can discuss. Most of the students should have done questions based on these properties on 7th, 8th class. Now I am giving you some questions based on this property. So let's say solve. Question is for 6x to the power 6, let's say, is equal to, this is 6 to the power, let's say, 2 to the power 3. What will be the find x? Find x. And what will be the value of this one? This, how will you solve? this can be written as 6 to the power 6 into x to the power 6 is equal to, this can be written as 6 to the power 8. 2 to the power 3 can be written as 8. So now this is x to the power 6 is equal to 6 to the power 8 divided by 6 to the power 6. Use this property, a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this will be 6 to the power 8 minus 6. So x to the power 6 is equal to, this will be 6 to the power 2. And we know that if x square is equal to a, then x will be what? Plus minus of root a. If a is greater than or equal to 0. So this can be written as what? X. This will be written as plus minus of 6 to the power 2 by 6. You can note one more property. This is property number 8. If x to the power n is equal to a, then x to the power 1 by n, if n is odd natural number. If and x is equal to plus minus of root plus minus of a to the power 1 by n, if n is even natural number. This is also the property. So this will be what? X is equal to plus minus of 6 to the power 1 by 3. So this can be written as x is equal to plus minus of cube root of 6. So this is our answer of this question. Now let's discuss this question. Given is what? If a to the power x divided by 2 to the power y is equal to 4 and 9 to the power 2x divided by 27 to the power y is equal to 1 by 3, then you have to find greatest integer of x plus y. So now simplify this one. So 8 can be written as what? 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power y is equal to, this can be written as 2 to the power 2. And this can be written as 3 to the power 3 to the power 2x divided by 3 to the power 3 power y is equal to, this can be written as 3 to the power minus 1. Now this is what? This can be written as 2 to the power 3x by 2 to the power y is equal to 2 to the power 2, and this can be written as 3 to the power 6x. This is what? 3 to the power 2. This is 3 to the power 2, so this is 3 to the power 4x divided by 3 to the power 3 by is equal to 3 to the power minus 1. Now I told this property, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, then a to the power what? M minus n. Use this property here. So this can be written as 2 to the power 3x minus y is equal to 2 to the power 2, and this can be written as 3 to the power 4x minus 3y is equal to 3 to the power minus 1. Now if base are same, we know this property, if a to the power b is equal to a to the power c, then b is equal to c. So this can be written as what? 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. So we are getting two equations. Now we can solve these two equations. So what will be the solution of these two equations? 3x minus y is equal to 2, and next one is what? Next one is 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Now we have to eliminate this one. So multiplying here 3, so this will be what? 9x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now 1 and this is 2, 1 minus 2, subtract this one, this will be 5x is equal to what? 7. So x will be equal to 7 by 5. Now substitute the value of x in this equation. So what will be the value of y? 3 into 7 by 5 minus y is equal to 2. So y will be equal to 21 by 5 minus 2. 21 minus 10 by 5, that means it will be 11 by 5. So these are the values of x and y. Now find out sum of the value. X plus y will be 7 by 5 plus 11 by 5, that means 18 by 5, and this will be how much? 3.6. So x plus y is coming for 3.6. X plus y is coming 3.6. Now take the greatest integer of this value. So greatest integer of x plus y will be equal to greatest integer of 3.6, and this will give the value 3. That means answer is what? This will be is equal to 3. So this is our answer. Now let's solve this question. You have to solve this question. So what will be solution of this one? A to the power x can be written as 8 can be written as what? 2 to the power 3 to the power x, that means 2 to the power 3x. 16 to the power x can be written as in the similar way 2 to the power 4, and 4 to the power x can be written as 2 to the power 2x. Now write down here. So this will be 2 to the power 3x minus 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power 4x minus 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2. Right. So this can be written as what? Take 2 to the power x common in the denominator. So it will be 2 to the power 2x minus 1. And take 2 to the power x from denominator. So it will be 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to what? It is 2. Now see here, this is same term here. So if you put x is equal to 0, if you put x equal to 0, this will be 0 by 0 form. That means x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is not a solution. Is not a solution. So x is equal to 0 is not a solution. So we can cancel here these two terms. So this can be written as what? 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power minus x is equal to 2. So this will be what? 2 to the power minus x is equal to 2. Right. So this is what? This is x minus x is equal to minus x is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus 1. So this is the answer. X is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Now let's solve this question. Here it is given if a to the power x is equal to b to the power y is equal to c to the power z and b square is equal to ac, then find the value of y by x plus y by z. So see here, it is given a to the power x is equal to b to the power y is equal to c to the power z. So we can take here is equal to k. Let's say this is any value k. Then we can write a to the power x is equal to k, b to the power y is equal to k, and c to the power z is equal to k. Right. So here this is the property. If a to the power n is equal to m, then a will be what? M to the power 1 by n. Here it will be plus or minus according to whether it is even or odd. So now this can be written as what? A is equal to k to the power 1 by x, b is equal to k to the power 1 by y, and c is equal to k to the power 1 by z. Right. Now this second relation is this one. So b square is equal to ac is given. This is given. So now b square, b is what? This one. So k to the power 1 by y whole square is equal to a is what? K to the power 1 by x into c is what? K to the power 1 by z. So this is equal to k to the power 2 by y is equal to k to the power, these are in product, base is same, so power will be sum 1 by x plus 1 by y. So base is same, so power will be same. That means 2 by y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. That means 2 is equal to, multiply here y right hand side, so it will be 1 y by x plus y by z. That means value of this one is what? Answer is what? Answer is 2. So this is the value of this one. Now let's say this is given. If l into m into n is equal to 1, then find the value of 1 by 1 plus l plus m to the power minus 1, 1 by 1 plus m plus n to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus n plus l to the power minus 1. We have to find value of this one. So how will you solve this one? Now first simplify this one. I told this property that a to the power m can be written as 1 by a to the power n. That means a to the power minus n can be written as a to the power n. This one. So write down this one. So this will be 1 plus l plus 1 by m plus 1 by 1 plus m plus 1 by n plus 1 by 1 plus n plus 1 by l. So this is equal to, take LCM from here. So this will be l plus m plus 1. This will be n plus, this will be how much? This will be m plus lm plus 1, and this take LCM here. So this will be what? This will be n plus mn plus 1. This will take LCM. So this will be how much? L by l plus n l plus 1. Take LCM. After taking LCM, simplify. This is the value of all three terms. Now this can be written as, in place of 1, we can replace this value. So this will be m by m plus lm plus lmn plus n by n plus mn plus lmn plus this will be l by l plus ln plus lmn. Now take common from denominator. So this will be equal, take m common from denominator, m will cancel out. So this will be 1 plus l plus ln plus this will be, take n common from denominator, n cancel out. So this will be 1 plus m plus l n plus this will be how much? 1 plus this will be how much? 1 plus n plus this will be how much? If you take n common, this will be 1 plus mn. Right. Now we can make denominator of all these three terms same. So how can you make this 1 by 1 plus L plus Ln plus the same term we can create here. So this will be 1 plus here m can be replaced as what? This can be replaced, Lm can be replaced as, now m can be replaced as 1 by Nl from the relation this one. Lmn is what? 1. So from the relation this one, m can be replaced as 1 by Nl and Lm can be replaced as 1 by n. In the similar way, plus this can be replaced as 1 plus n plus mn can be replaced as 1 by L. Simplify this. So this will be 1 plus L plus Ln plus take LCM from here. This will be how much? This will be NL divided by NL plus L plus 1 plus from here this will be L divided by L plus NL plus 1. Now denominator of all these three are same, so numerator will be same. So this will be take LCM L plus NL plus 1, then numerator will be 1 plus NL plus L. This will cancel out and this is equal to 1. That means answer of this one is what? Answer of this one is 1. Now let's solve this question. How will you solve this question? This can be written as what? 3 into 16 to the power x plus 4 into 9 to the power x minus 7 into 4 to the power x is equal to 0. Right. Now divide this number, divide by 9 to the power x, the whole equation. So this will be 16 to the power x by 9 to the power x plus 4 9 to the power x by 9 to the power x minus 7 4 to the power x by 9 to the power x is equal to 0. This can be written as 3 into, this can be written as 4 to, this can be written as 4 to the power 2x divided by 3 to the power 2x plus this is cancelled out minus 7. This will be written as what? This will be written as 4 by 9 to the power x is equal to 0. So this is 3 times, this is 3 to the power 2x. Now this can be written as 4 by 3 to the power 2x plus 4 minus 7. This is what? This can be written as, this is how much? 4 by 3 to the power x and this is 4 by 9, 2 by 3 to the power x is equal to 0. There is a mistake here. Here this is what? 12 to the power x, not 16, not 4 to the power x. So it will be how much here? Here it will be 12 to the power x. So this will be written as what? 12 to the power x by this. So this is 12 to the power x divided by this. This will be how much? This will be 4 by 3. Right. There, instead of 4 to the power x here, in the question it is given 12 to the power x. Otherwise, in the previous case, that will be not solvable. So now here we can write this one as what? This 3 to the 3 into 4 to the 4 by 3 to the power x whole square plus 4 minus 7 4 by 3 to the power x is equal to 0. Now let put here 4 by 3 to the power x is equal to t. So this equation can be written as this equation you can write 3t square plus 4 minus 7t is equal to 0. This equation, if you substitute here 4 by 3 to the power x is equal to t, you can write this equation here. This will be t square, this will be t. Now solve this one. So this is how much? 3t square minus 7t plus 4 is equal to how much? 0. So t will be how much? 7 plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 6. So t will be is equal to 7 plus minus 1 by 6. So this will be 8 by 6 or 6 by 6. That means 4 by 3 or 1. So t is what? This is given. So 4 by 3 to the power x will be is equal to what? 1 or 4 by 3. So if 4 by 3 power x is equal to 1, then answer will be what? X is equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, this 1 can be written as what? 4 by 3 to the power 0. So if you compare, x is equal to 0. And 4 by 3 to the power x will be equal to 4 by 3. So x is equal to 1. So answer is what? X is equal to 0 or 1. So these are the two answers. You can substitute x equal to 0. This will be 1. So it will be 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. If you substitute here x is equal to 1, that will satisfy also.